Everything on your screen right now came out of one tool and one prompt bar with exactly same brand design. A mobile app, a pitch deck, a clickable prototype, an animated logo, a spinning 3D product shot, a resume, an HTML email, animation, everything. For this creation, I never opened Figma, PowerPoint, Canva, or even After Effects. I created everything with one tool called Claude Design. And every other tutorial you have watched about Claude Design may be outdated because Anthropic just updated Claude Design tool with lot of features. And in this video, I will show you all features to you directly on screen from scratch. And also provide you 5 special tricks which put you ahead of 95% of people using this. After watching this video and using these rules, your designs will never look like a AI store. If you're new here, just subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll never miss my videos in the future. Let's dive in. Quick context because it is important. Claude Design launched in April 2026 and within 1 week over 1 million people used it and many of them quit after using it. Not because it was not good enough, but back then there was one separate session for Claude Design. So when you use Claude Design for around 20 minutes, your session was completed. But now they merge everything with your normal Claude session. So after that update, there is only one session. That means if you are using Claude Chat, Claude Code or Claude Design, everything counts here. So that means you can use Claude Design for longer period of time. And that is so powerful update. And that is why Claude Design is currently so powerful and so popular. And it offers lot of features which many other tools not offering. So mainly there are two ways to use Claude Design. Either you can download Claude app directly on your laptop and then you can click on the Claude Design. It will open this Claude Design beta, or else you can go to claude.ai from your any browser, Chrome, Comet or whatever. Then open your Claude and then you can click on the Claude Design. For the entire video, I'll be using Claude Design through the browser because I can open multiple tabs here. So that is the advantage of using Claude Design in browser. So now this is most important 60 seconds of this video. Don't skip it. So now I have created my own Canva design system which I used for my all generation. But if you don't have it, then I highly recommend to create your own design system, because if you don't create it, then every time you will get different designs and brand colors. And this is most important step. Why? Because that makes your output look like a designer made instead of AI slop, right? And so there are mainly 4 ways to import your design or create your design. You can link code from GitHub if you have repo. You can link code from your laptop and you can upload your Figma file and you can add fonts, logos, assets. If you have any ideas from online, you can paste it here, right? Okay, let's assume you don't have any brand colors or brand design. So you would like to create it from scratch. So now there are 2 ways. Earlier only 1 way was possible. Either you can upload any reference from online. But now we have this new feature called color plus type pairing, which is basically the feature 1 of this video. We'll be selecting that and we paste this prompt. So basically we are creating brand from scratch by typing in the plain English. So we'll be creating here Karin, an AI career co-pilot that helps people plan their next move. Then I will execute. All right, we got the design literally within 3 minutes, right? As you can see, now we have everything. We have 6 tones, color palettes, fonts, space, radius, elevation, everything, right? Now we can simply download this design system from here. After downloading, I uploaded that asset into this asset sections and I will click on the continue to generation. Now for the entire video, I'll be using same design system for all assets which will be creating to showcase all the features in this video. All right, we got our design system now that we will use to showcase all the features in this video. As you can see, now we have our own design system. I'll be using that. The second feature which I'll be showing here is mobile app design. So to be very honest, in last 2 updates of Claude Design, this feature got dramatically better. So now I'll be pasting this prompt. And as you can see, I'm not just saying design the core mobile app. I'm saying which device, which screen, which stats, what I want. I'm telling everything in plain English. And then I will just execute. Perfect. I got really good design. Look at this. Yeah, it's amazing. But the golden rule of any design, never accept the first version. So what I'll be doing here, I'll be asking for 3 different versions. Give me 3 different visual direction for the home screen only, side by side, all built on my design system. right? All right, we got 3 different visual directions for the home screen, and to be very honest, that is the thing why designers get paid for exploration. It takes only one prompt, but it gives us 3 different visual directions, and here you can switch it to mobile app as well. Every prompts which I'm using in this video and some other bonus prompts which I prepared for you, you can find in the membership program. Simply click on the join. It's very cheap to join my membership program, maybe less than your cup of your coffee. So I will see you there. So there are different ways to download this once you finalize the design. Feature number 3, slides. To be very honest, this is one of the most powerful and widely used feature in Claude Design. You probably used in the past for creating presentation like Gamma, Canva, PowerPoint. To be very honest, those tools are good. I have also used in the past, but they all starts from the template and then try to make it like you. Claude Design starts with you. What does it mean? So as we have already defined design system, so when deck will generate it, it looks like a company made it, not a tool made it. But there is one gap. It doesn't have image creation, and that is why I connected Claude Design with Higgsfield AI to create images for our slide deck, because without pictures it's feel like something is missing. So if you haven't connected your Claude with Higgsfield, then you can open your Higgsfield and then you can go to MCP, then copy this MCP URL, then go to Claude, then click on the manage connectors, and here you can click on the manage. Okay, generally you need to do it via normal Claude. So when you open that, here, yeah, in the connector section you can edit from here. Okay, that's super simple. So select your design system, then select slides, then paste your prompt. So for now we are creating 8 slide seat pitch deck for Karen using my design system. Okay, and I'll just execute. We got the beautiful results. As you can see, 8 slides. Let me show you in the full screen. Look at the numbers, designs, fonts, yeah, spacing, it's all good. Graph, it's so cool. And one of the most powerful features of this slide deck in Claude Design, that you are not locked in. What does it mean? So you can export this file to PowerPoint, Google Slides, PDF, or there are other destination as well, like Claude Code, Canva, and as you can see, Adobe, Gamma, HubSpot, Lovable, Miro. So you have a lot of options. So you can start here where you can build it based on your own brand design. Then you can export it to the any tool where your team is already working. So just to tell you, and honestly, Canva and the Claude Design are not competitors. Canva is the last step to polish your slide deck. If you are enjoying videos so far and learning something new today, then I expect only one thing. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. That keeps me motivating to create this kind of videos in the future. 2 features that most people constantly confuse: UI mockups and prototype. UI mockups is basically what it look like. Prototype, it's basically what it does. Clickable, testable, stateful. Selected UI mockups and then pasted prompt, and basically asking that user must be able to type or select a current role from a drop down, select a target role, choose a timeline, press build my path, then all the features. Then I will just execute. That is basically our working product. So in the current role, you can select, for example, data analyst. Target role, you can select data scientist, and you have timeline for 12 months, and then you can click here build path, and it provide you proper skills, portfolio, network, interview and offer, everything, right? And you can say start step 1. We got this result, but the real skill is not the first generation. What you do next is, so there are 4 ways to improve this, and most people knows only one. The number 1 is chat. It's good for the big structural change if you want to change big changes. Okay, the number 2 is here tweaks. You can click here and then you can describe a minor tweak and Claude will do it for you. Number 3 is annotate. Just click on the comment and then select here and then describe the issue or the suggestion, and Claude will do it for you. It's like a real designer putting comments and someone else is improving. Number 4 is so powerful. You can simply click on edit and you have multiple ways to edit anything. As you can select any text, design, yeah, you can do literally anything. Feature number 5, animation. To be very honest, this is my personal favorite because this feature I use it almost every day for my all videos editing and everything, because In my last few videos, you can find a lot of animated motion graphics. I created all with Claude Design. So first, we'll be creating this animated hero header for our brand website. And then I will show you the multiple other animations which I created with the Claude Design, okay? And I will execute. While it's generating, let me show you my previous animations which I created with Claude Design. As you can see, it's amazing, isn't it? That's so beautiful. This is my past one. So cool. That's so cool. One more, as you can see, it's all created with Claude Design. Now, hopefully, our current animation created. Perfect. It's created. Let me play it for you. That's cool. Looks so nice. Perfect. That's so good. And you can also improve here. So let's say if you want to increase the speed, right? You can double it. So from 2 seconds to 1 second, right? And then you can play it and it will be fast. Yeah. And simply you can click on the share and you can download as a MP4. Then you can use it on your any product design or product video or your editing, literally anything. The feature 6 is 3D object, and to be very honest, I never used in the Claude Design. They recently added this feature, so I'm very excited to use this feature. So I prepared one prompt for this. So basically we are creating an interactive 3D object. The Karen app icon as a physical sculpture. Just execute. Look at this. They actually generated 3D object, and you can change from light to dark. Look at this. Simply you can download it from here and then you can use it, improve it, whatever. But it's good. It's not the best, but hopefully they will increase the quality of this 3D object in upcoming updates, because they are continuously improving Claude Design. So I expect that in next 1 to 2 months we'll have lot better result than this. 5 more features I would like to show you quickly. So the next one is wireframe. So wireframe is basically skeleton or blueprint of your app or website, right? We got the wireframe within 1 minute. As you can see, we have all the details. It's basically skeleton of any app or website. It's very important to create like this, because if you directly start creating websites, sometimes it gives you a lot of troubles. Feature number 8 is document and one pager. This is not our standard Word document, guys. This is a one pager which Claude will design it based on our design system which we created with the pictures. So I'll paste this prompt. So basically I'm saying create a one page sales sheet for our brand using my design system, print ready A4 exportable to PDF. I'm impressed, to be honest, because I never seen like this. Within few seconds they are generating one pager and it looks so elegant and the professional. And then you can export it via PDF. Then you can use it in your next meeting or wherever it's required. It's amazing how Claude Design is improving these features so fast. Next feature is resume building. This is gift for all students, job seekers, or who wants to create a resume quickly. Because I remember when I was a student and looking for a job, I need to go to Microsoft Word and typing everything, then turning into PDF and then sending. It takes a lot of hours, to be honest. And now we just need to describe in plain English and it will create really professional looking resume for us. We got our resume, and one important thing you need to mention in the prompt is that keep it strictly ATS-Safe. That is very important. And that looks already amazing, and you can enhance further based on your own requirements by adding pictures or changing some colors. That you can do it easily. Feature number 10 is design an HTML email. Build a welcome email for Karen using my design system. For this kind of easy task, you should not always use Opus model because that's a bit costly. So you need to switch it for Sonnet 5. Look at that. It created HTML email for you. It handled all ugly parts in the design and everything. Now you can simply send it to your sending tool and it works basically. The last feature which I would like to show in this video is research. That is a bit interesting that they include into Claude Design, but it makes sense as well that you can research this kind of subjects. For example, I am telling the research the AI career coaching and upskilling market as it stands right now, then design the findings as a 2-page visual brief using my design system. Look at this, guys. It did market research and providing us all the numbers. Now I'm going to show you 5 rules. If you follow these 5 rules, I promise you guys, you will be ahead than everyone else using Claude Design. Okay, the first thing is system first. That means you need to design your system first, like we did in this video. If you design this in the first step, then it's very easy in the next generation. The second thing is never take version 1. Always ask for the 3 directions in a single prompt. The third one is name the constraints: screens, states, device, touch, targets. If you give vague, then you will get generic out. The fourth one is annotate. Don't simply chat always. Write the timing. That is so important that many people miss. Otherwise, if you simply say, okay, build a 5-second animation, it will create it, but it will not create based on your script or based on the timing which you want to create. So follow these rules and tell me in the comment section how it is going for you. You nailed it, guys. You stay till the end. You learned all rules, all features. Now it's time to build. And if you learned something new today and enjoy my content, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you'll never miss my videos in future. That's one thing I'm asking. Do it, and I will see you in the next one.